Hello class, how are you all? I hope y'all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, as you know, in the last session, we were discussing exercise 9.2 in which we had discussed about the word problems that is related to money. Okay, so with that, the last question that we had done, that is question number 15, we have completed exercise 9.2. So in today's session, I'm going to start with the exercise 9.3, that is related to the multiplication and the division of money. Okay, so let's begin with the topic, that is exercise 9.3. Multiplication and division of money. So first of all, the first question given over here is multiply 476 rupees 45 paisa by 2. So we have to multiply 476 rupees 45 paisa by 2. So for that we need to multiply these. तो देखिए ऊपर heading दी हुई है, the heading is multiply. So this is basically divided into 4 parts. So the A part is 476 rupees 476 rupees 45 paisa by 2. Okay. So question number 1, that is of multiply. Question A part, rupees 476.45 by 2. So we have to multiply 476 rupees 45 paisa by 2. So let's multiply these. So this is a simple multiplication that we need to do here. So इसमें अब simple multiplication करेंगे, that we simply do. Okay, don't just forget about these points and all. So just simply multiply these. So 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 will be carried next. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, this is 9. 2 6 are 12, 2, 1 will be carried above. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. 1 will be carried next. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, this is 9. And this is rupees. But this is not the answer yet, because as you can see in the question we are having 476.45. So where's point? So when we do the multiplication, so first of all we will just simply do the multiplication and then we will put the point. So they in the question, after point we are having 2 digits, right? So here we are having 2 digits after the point. Similarly here also, this point को decimal भी क्या कहा जाता है? Point is also known as decimal. So पीछे से 2 digits. Okay, so after decimal we are having 2 digits. So here we will leave last 2 digits and put a point here. जितने digits point के बाद है उतने digits यहाँ पे छोड़ के you will put the point and this is your answer. So the answer is 9. Okay, sorry. The answer is 952 rupees and 90 paisa. So 952 rupees and 90 paisa. So this is the solution of the A part of question number 1. Okay, so you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chalo. Moving next to the B part. Again in the B part, so in the B part we need to multiply 189 rupees 30 paisa by 5. In the B part, multiply 189 rupees 30 paisa by 5. So just simply multiply these two. Okay. So let's multiply. So first of all we will write in the column form. Okay, that is 189.30 multiply by 5. Okay, so just multiply and find the answer. 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15, 1 will be carried above. 5 nines are 45 plus 1, 46. 5 8s are 40 plus 4. 44. 5 1s are 5 plus 4, that is 9. Now again, first off we will put the decimal or the point, and then we will put the rupee sign. So how many digits are there after the decimal? 2 digits. So 2 digits छोड़ के just put the decimal here or the point here, and then down the rupee sign. So after multiplying 189 rupees 30 paisa by 5, we got 946 rupees and 50 paisa. So the answer is 946 rupees and 50 paisa. So 946 rupees and 50 paisa. This is the answer, or this is the solution of the B part of question number 1. Okay. So you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay. Moving next to the question number, so the C part of question number 1. Let's move to the C part of question number 1. The C part is multiply 48 rupees 9 paisa by 13. That is 48 rupees 9 paisa by 13. So we have to multiply 48 rupees 9 paisa by 13. So just simply multiply it. 48 rupees 9 paisa by 13. Okay, so let's multiply. 3 9s are 27. 7. 2 will be carried above. 3 zeros are 0 plus 2, that is 2. 3 8s are 24, that is 4. 2 will be carried above. 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, multiply. Sorry, cross. 1 9s are 9, 1 zeros are 0, 1 8s are 8, 1 4s are 4. Now simply add them. This is 7, 9 plus 2 11, 4 plus 1 5, 8 plus 4 12, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1, this is 6. Okay, so one important thing that you need to notice here is, देखिए here we are multiplying with the 2 digit number, but here we are not going to use any point. यहाँ हम कोई भी point use नहीं करेंगे. You will just simply do the multiplication, and when you get the answer, now we are going to put the point or the decimal. So here in the question after decimal we are having 2 digits, so 2 digits छोड़ के just put the decimal here. यहाँ पे decimal point लगा लीजिए, and this is rupee sign. Okay, so after multiplying 48 rupees 9 paisa by 13, we got the answer, that is 625 rupees and 17 paisa. 625 rupees and 17 paisa. So this is the answer that we had got after multiplying 48 rupees 9 paisa by 13. Okay, simple है multiplication. The point will be put, we will put the point only in the answer. Okay, when we get the final solution. चलिए. Okay, so this is the C part. Similarly, in the D part, we will multiply 13 rupees 83 paisa by 67. So this is also a multiplication by 2 digit number that we are going to solve like this. So this is your homework that you are going to do part D by yourself. Clear? चलिए. So question number 1, part D, you will do by yourself. So let's move to question number 2. So now we will move to the next question, that is question number 2. Question number 2 is, that is divide. So in question number 2 we need to divide. So now we need to divide. So earlier in the question number 1 we have done the multiplication. Now we will do the division. So what numbers we need to divide? So we need to divide 905 rupees 95 paisa by 5. So 905 rupees को 5 से divide करना है. So divide 905 rupees 95 paisa by 5. So let's divide it. Okay, so simple division as usual. 900, sorry, that is rupees 905 rupees 95 paisa by 5. So just simply divide it. So let's divide. So 905 rupees 95 paisa divided by 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5. So 9 minus 5, 4. Bring down 0. 5 eights are 40. 40 minus 40, 0, or you can put cross. So I am putting 0 now. Now bring down the next number, that is also 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Now bring down the next number, that is 9. Okay, so 5 ones are 5. So 9 minus 5, 4. Bring down the last digit, that is also 5. So 5 nines are 45. So 45 minus 45, nothing is left. So can you further do the calculation? No. So now there is no remainder, but we got the question, that is 18,119. But no, this is not the correct answer, because we still need to put the point. अभी हमें point लिखना है, पैसा वाला point. Again same as we have done in the multiplication. So after point we are having 2 digits. So similarly here, after leaving the 2 digits, we will put a point. So we will leave the 2 digits from the back and then put the point here. So this is 181 rupees and 19 paise. So write down the answer. That is 181 rupees and 19 paisa or paise. Okay. So this is how we are going to do the division. Okay, so basically in this exercise 9.3, all the questions, they are related to the division only, and this is basically is the practice of dividing the money amount with any number. Okay, so this is just a practice. Okay, so we are going to solve the word problems related to this in the next forthcoming sum. Okay, so this is the answer that we had got after division. Simple division is there. Now at last just put the point by leaving the 2 digits at the end, and then we will put the point, and this is the answer, that is 181 rupees and 19 paisa. Okay, chale. Moving next to the question number, moving next to the B part of question number 2. So again, the B part, we need to divide 713 rupees 8 paisa by 4. Okay. So in the B part, divide 713 rupees 8 paisa by 4. 713 rupees 8 paisa by 4. So we need to divide it. So let's divide them. Okay, so we will do the division here. That is 713 rupees 8 paisa divided by 4. Okay, so just simply divide it. So 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4, 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now bring down the next one, that is 1. 4 5s are 24, 4 7s are 28. So 31 minus 28 or 11, this will be 11, this will be 2. 11 minus 8, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. This is 3. Now bring down the next number, that is 3 again. Okay, so let's divide 713 with, let's divide 33 with 4. So 4 8s are 32. So 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 3, 0. Now again bring down the next number, that is 0. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. So 10 minus 8, 2. Okay, bring down the next, that is 8. So 28 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 28. 4 sevens are 28. 28 minus 28, nothing is left. Now we need to put the point here. So in again same question में last point का 2 digits छोड़ के we will put the point here. So after dividing 713 rupees 8 paisa with 4, we got the answer 178 rupees and 27 paisa. So answer is 178 rupees and 27 paisa. 178 rupees and 27 paisa. So this is the answer of B part of question number 2. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. So similarly, the C and the D part is as it is same. So in the C and the D part, we need to divide 826 rupees 72 paisa by 16. Whereas in the D part, we need to divide 965 rupees 80 paisa by 22. So just try to do these two sums by yourself. Okay, so I'll just discuss question the D part with you all and C आप अपने आप करिए. Okay, so C part is your homework of question number 2. We'll discuss the D part here now. So in the D part, we need to divide 965 rupees 80 paisa by 22. 965 rupees 80 paisa by 22. So we need to divide these 965 rupees 85 paisa we divided by 22. So let's divide it. 965 rupees 80 paisa divided by 22. Okay, so let's divide it. 22 fours are 88. 22 fours are 88. So 6 not possible. 16. This will be 8. 6 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Bring down the next, that is 5. So 22 threes are 66. So this is 15. This is 7. 15 minus 6, 9. 7 minus 6, 1. Bring down the next one, that is 8. 22 nines are that is 198. So 22 nines are is 198. So 198, that is 0, 0 and 0. Now still we are having 0 above. So we will solve it. 22 zeros are 0. So 0 minus 0, nothing is left. Now let's put the point. So after point 2 digits, so put the point here. Just left the 2 digits and put the point. So what is the answer? That is 43 rupees 90 paisa. So we got the answer, that is 43 rupees and 90 paisa. So this is the solution of the D part of question number 2. So this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.